Nighttime shot out here.
Okay. What about the
Straight ahead. Let's go that way.
Shag, wrong way.
Wait.
Well, that's just... You want to go that way, right? I don't want to go straight. That's stupid. You're making the stupidest choice ever. We haven't gone through that route in a...
Someone get 20 minutes off, Jay.
No. Alright, here's another night mode of the Moore Road in Rancho Festoso. Just...
Wait. Traveling east. Wait. Traveling south.
I got that one already. Okay, let's go. They don't catch up. Oh, we got a 31-second countdown. Now we're gonna press this button.
Wait. 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 Traveling south. Wait. 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 Wait.
Stop pushing the button for you need traffic.
Wait.
I like pressing the wait button. Quality.
Wait.
Stop pushing it.
I'm staring. It said wait by itself this time. It occasionally says it repeatedly until the walk sign comes up. Let's see how far they've gone. Look at them. They're all the way at that tree down there. That's it.